करी रूपानु का प्रभु क्या है? एक अंदर प्रभु अवस्थित है। हरे कृष्ण। हरे कृष्ण। हिंदी डाल। ओम पूर्णम मुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्चित् जगत्यां जगत् तेन तत्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृधा कस्यसि धनम्। कुर्वन्नेवाह कर्माणि जिजीविषेच्छतं समः एवं तैर्नान्नथितोऽस्ति न कर्मा लिप्यते नरे। नामते लोका अन्धेन तमसावृतः तांसि प्रत्याभिगच्छन्ति ये के चात्महनो जनाः। अनेजदेकं मनसो यो नैनाद्देवा आप्नुवन् पूर्वमर्षत् तद्यावत अन्नानत्तीति तिष्ठत् तस्मिन्नपो मातुरिष्या ददाति। दूरे तदन्तिके तदन्तरस्य सर्वस्य तदु सर्वस्यास्य बाह्यतः जस्तु सर्वाणि भूतान्नात्मन्नेवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सति। Again repeat it. Om Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Īśāvāsamidam sarvam yatkincat jagatyang jagat tena taktena bhunjitā मा गृधा कस्यसि धनम्। कुर्वन्नेवेह कर्माणि जिजीविषेच्छतं समः एवं तैर्नान्नथितोऽस्ति न कर्म लिप्यते नरः। असूर्यानामते लोका अन्धेन तमसावृतः तांसि पृथ्वाभिगच्छन्ति ये के चात्महनो जना। अनेजदेकं मनसो बुद्धियो नैनाद्देवा आप्नुवन् पूर्वमर्षत् तद्यावत अन्यानत्तीति तिष्ठन् तस्मिन्नपो मातुरिष्या ददाति। तदेजति तन्नैजति तद्धूरे तदन्तिके तदन्तरस्य सर्वस्य तत्सर्वस्यास्य बाह्यतः प्राणि भूतान्नात्मन्नेवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सति। Again. पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। इदं सर्वं यत्
किञ्चित् जगत्तं जगत् तेन तत्तेन भुञ्जीथा मा गृधः कस्यसि धनम् नैवा कर्माणि जीविषे सतं सुखम् विपते नरे मति लोका अंधेन तमसा वृता गच्छन्ति येन आत्मनो जनाः तदि तदेजति तन्नैजति तद्धूरे तदन्तिके तदन्तरस्य सर्वस्य तदु सर्वस्याश्च भायतः आत्मन्नेवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मान् ततो न विजुगुप्सति. Next verse. जस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतान्यात् जस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मभूत आत्मभूत बीजानतः तत्र को मोह का शोक एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मवैभत आत्मवैवाभूत बीजानतः तत्र का मोह का शोक एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मवैभूत बीजानतः तत्र को मोह का शोक एकत्वम् अनुपश्यताम्. Repeat it, this last one. Again. तत्र को मोह का शोक एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मभूत बीजानतः तत्र को मोह का शोक एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः. One who always sees all living entities as spiritual sparks in quality, one with the Lord, becomes a true knower of things. What is there as illusion or anxiety for him? This realization is Krishna consciousness. There are different kinds of realization, but ekattam, the qualitatively oneness is always there. The Brahmavadi impersonalists, they think that we are 100% one with the Lord or the Supreme Absolute Truth, but that is not a fact. If one is 10% one with the Supreme Lord, then how he has come under the control of Maya. These questions they cannot answer. So, real identity is, in the Vedic literature we find that just like the fire, big fire, and the sparks of the fire, they are of the same quality. But the small spark, when he goes out of the fire and falls elsewhere, then at that time its fiery quality becomes covered. So this covering becomes manifest according to different qualities. Just like the fire, fire spark, if it drops on the water, then it assumes completely extinguished. Similarly, the living entity, although qualitatively the fire with God, when it contacts the modes of ignorance, his spiritual quality becomes almost extinct. When he is on the land, not on the water, then there is something, heat. Similarly, when the living entity is in the Rajoguna, the quality of passion, there is some hope. And when the living entity is in goodness, just like the same spark, if it drops on the grass, dry grass, then the same spark of fire ignites another fire, another blazing fire. Similarly, if one is in goodness, then he can create a spiritual association. Just like this same example, just this small spark of fire, if it falls in favorable circumstances or in dry grass, then it can ignite fire. One has to come therefore to the platform of goodness in this material world. If one does not come to the platform of goodness, the platform of goodness is the Brahminical qualification. That we are preaching. Our Krishna consciousness movement is to bring some men on the platform of goodness. The world requires it now. The world is in need of some Brahmins, qualified Brahmins, not that. You are being trained up to become qualified Brahmins. So be always careful that you may not contact the quality of passion and ignorance. Passion and ignorance will induce you kama lobha, lust and greediness. That is the sign of passion and ignorance. And when you are in goodness, then you can see things as they are. Then you can see yourself that you are not matter, you are spirit soul, and if you make further advance, then you understand that I am eternal, part and parcel of the Supreme Lord, the fire spark. So that ekattam anupassata, in this verse, ekattam, that qualitatively one, not quantitatively. You are one with God qualitatively. You cannot be equal with God quantitatively. That ekattam. Thank you. Go on, Chad. Chant.